Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss idioms of CSS English paper of the year 1980. So let's start. Pocket the affront. It means to tolerate an insult or offense without reacting or seeking revenge. रद्द-ए-अमल ज़ाहिर किए या बदला लिए बगैर किसी तौहीन या जुर्म को बर्दाश्त करना. Its example sentences: After being ridiculed by his colleagues, John decided to pocket the affront and maintain his composure in the workplace. Thin end of the wedge. It means something appears to be unimportant at the moment, but is the beginning of a bigger, more harmful development. यानी एक ऐसी चीज़ जो कि इस वक्त गैर अहम या मामूली मालूम होती है, लेकिन वक्त गुजरने के बाद वो ज़्यादा नुकसान या तरक्की का आगाज़ होता है. Its example sentences: First they asked me to postpone my vacation for a week, and then for a month. It is the thin edge of the wedge, and pretty soon it will be a year. Flash in the pan. It means something that initially shows great promise or excitement, but fails to deliver or maintain that level of success. यानी कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो इब्तिदाई तौर पर ज़बरदस्त वादा या जोश दिखाती है, लेकिन कामयाबी की उस हद तक को फराहम करने या उसे बरकरार रखने में नाकाम रहती है. एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस: द न्यू रेस्टोरेंट had a flashy opening with celebrities, but it turned out to be a flash in the pan as it quickly lost customers due to poor quality. To keep at. It means to persist or continue with an effort or task despite difficulties. मुश्किलात के बावजूद किसी कोशिश या काम को जारी रखना. Example sentences: Despite facing numerous challenges, she decided to keep at her studies until she achieved her goal. At once beck and call. It means being ready and available to obey or serve someone immediately. फौरी तौर पर किसी की इताअत या खिदमत के लिए तैयार और दस्तयाब होना. Example sentences: The loyal assistant was always at the boss' beck and call, ready to assist with any task. Go against the grain. It means to act or behave in a way contrary to the usual customs or trends. मामूल के रिवाज या रुझानात के बरखिलाफ कोई काम करना या बर्ताव करना. Example sentences: She always goes against the grain by challenging traditional norms and expectations. Bring grist to the mill. It means a thing which is useful for a particular purpose or helps support someone's point of view. एक ऐसी चीज़ जो किसी ख़ास मकसद के लिए मुफीद हो या किसी के नुक्ते नज़र की तायीद में मदद करती हो. Example sentences: His innovative ideas brought grist to the mill, significantly improving the company's profitability. Upset the apple cart. It means to disrupt or spoil a plan or situation, often causing trouble or chaos. किसी मंसूबे या सूरत हाल में खलल डालना या ख़राब करना अक्सर परेशानी या अफरा तफरी का बायस बनता है. Example sentences: His unexpected resignation upset the apple cart just before the important project deadline. Hoist in one's own petard. It means to be harmed or disadvantaged by one's own actions or plans. यानी किसी के अपने आमाल या मंसूबों की वजह से अपने आप को नुकसान पहुंचाना. Example sentences: He tried to spread false rumors about his colleague, but in the end he was hoist on his own petard when the truth came out. Live on the fat of the land. It means to live well, enjoying the best of everything, often in a luxurious or comfortable manner. यानी अच्छी ज़िंदगी गुजारना, हर चीज़ से बेहतरीन लुत्फ़अंदोज़ होना, अक्सर पुरतायुश या आरामदेह अंदाज में. Example sentences: After winning the lottery, Sarah and her family were able to live on the fat of the land, indulging in lavish vacations and exquisite meals. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.